Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you all will be fine, inshallah. Today I'm gonna teach you how to insert a picture in the Word document. So click on the tab Word. Here I have already made a document, so I'm clicking on it. If you have a blank, then follow the process. So here click on this. After clicking, you have here the document. Now you want to add a insert a picture here. So simply you would come here in this section and find out the word insert here. Click on the insert tab. After clicking, you can insert tables, picture, but here you have to insert picture. Then press on this device. You would have some pictures in your computer. Click on this. It would open into your section computer sections, and then add insert any picture. You can click insert, and now as there is a picture, you can manage its size, you can resize it or whatever. But now this is unable to move here, but I want to move it. Then simply you would click right on your mouse and you would found wrap text here. After clicking it, you would come into square line. Then you would hold the left key mouse here, and then you can easily move it here as very easily. For example, if I want to set up here and also want to resize here, then I can simply make it resize with very ease. So today I hope you will find out it helpful, inshallah. Follow for more videos, subscribe us.